What's up guys, my name is DiDio, and in this video we're talking about the 5 best guitar deals going on right now on Sweetwater's yellow tag sale that I think you'll really enjoy, but let's go ahead and do this. Hey guys, my name is DiDio, and you're watching the DiDio Show, where we're working on bringing back music appreciation for the next generation through guitar tutorials, music theory lessons, product reviews, song lessons, guitar talks, vlogs. I mean, there's just so much going on here dealing with music that I think you'll really enjoy here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe, ding the little bell so you get notified whenever I put out new videos just like this one. Share it with your friends, like this video, and comment if you have any questions. But let's go ahead and get right into the content of this week's video. In this video, we're going through the 5 best guitar deals right now on Sweetwater. Now, even if you're watching this after the deals might be through or whatever, there's still really good guitars, really worth looking into. And we're going through the top 5 best deals, like I said, through their yellow tag sale that's going on right now. Now, I'm not exactly sure how long this will last, so you might want to get your hands on these things as quickly as possible. But a lot of these to have some demo savings too that you can always check out that are really always there with some demo savings. So really great things here. And remember, as usual, all of the products are linked up in the description, as well as a few bonus things that I'm not going to talk about in this video that I think you might enjoy with some good prices, some good deals, and good quality. So make sure you check it out down there. And actually, Sweetwater is not sponsoring this video. This is all fully my opinion. But let's go ahead and start the countdown at number 5. Now, you might notice that all these guitars are Epiphones. Now, before you think, whoa, I don't want anything to do with Epiphones, I'm leaving this video. Just hit a music stand. I'm leaving this video entirely, and I'm never going to watch this channel again. Think about this first. Watch the rest of this video because these deals are so worth looking into. For the price, guys, this is really worth it. So don't just leave it if you don't like Epiphones or not. A lot of the greats have used Epiphones. These are just great deals that really need to be looked at and considered. So even if you don't like Epiphones, keep watching this video and you might just change your mind. I don't know. But here is number 5. This is just a cool looking guitar with pro humbuckers and a hollow body with a mahogany neck. With demo savings of about $65, the price is $584 for a good guitar and a free 55-point evaluation. Demo means that it was either on display, used in a training presentation, or returned by a customer who tried it out for a few days, but you can still be sure it is in a good condition because Sweetwater, but you can be sure it is still in good condition because at Sweetwater, they make sure of it. Now, at number 4 is the Epiphone Les Paul Custom Pro in Ebony. It is a demo, which, remember, that just means it could have a few scratches or whatever, but it still is in really good working condition. Now, with 2 humbucking pickups, a rosewood fingerboard, and a mahogany body and neck, this pretty Les Paul is another demo with savings of about $68 and is now $611. Its glossy top is just mouth-watering though, and again, worth looking at. And at number 3 is the Epiphone Les Paul Custom Pro Sweetwater exclusive in wine red. It's got 2 humbucking pickups, a rosewood fingerboard, and a mahogany body and neck. Now, this is not a demo, but has a whopping $453 off. Now, it used to be $1,132, and now it is just $679. There are 4 other colors to look at as well, but this red is a great color. It is just an all-around beautiful guitar. And number 2 is the Epiphone Sheraton 2 Pro in Ebony. Again, it is a semi-hollow body electric guitar with a maple top, back, and sides, a maple neck, a Pau Ferro. I might be mispronouncing that. Not sure. Let me know in the comments if I am. It's got a Pau Ferro fingerboard and 2 humbucking pickups. It is a very pretty guitar with about $466 off. It's now at $699. It is a great deal. Again, not as a demo, but you can save even more if you choose a demo version, which might not be a bad idea. It's got different colors again, but I might want to keep the pretty black here. It's just really nice looking. It's very, very nice. And finally, at number 1 is the Epiphone Les Paul Black Beauty 3 in Ebony. It's a solid body electric guitar with a mahogany body, mahogany neck, a rosewood fingerboard, and 3 humbucking pickups. It comes with 3 humbucking pickups. 3! With all of the specs, this is probably the most worth it deal yet. Probably not correct grammar, but whatevs. Remember, links are in the description below, along with some extra guitar-related items that might be really cool checking out with some great prices, great deals that I'm not going to talk about because they are too cool. Check them out down there. Remember to subscribe and then ding the little bell so you get notified whenever I put out new videos just like this one. Comment if you have a question or a comment, and make sure you share this video with your friends. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.